Let's make homemade pound cake. Add 1 pound of softened butter to a large bowl and mix it really well until light and fluffy. Then add 1 cup of your 3 cups of sugar and mix it in. Then another cup, etc. until all incorporated. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Add 6 eggs one at a time, mixing in between. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Add 4 cups of flour a little at a time and mix, as well as 3/4 cup of milk a little at a time until both of those are fully incorporated. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Now fold in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or just add it to the milk. Add butter or shortening and flour to your bundt cake pan. Fill it up almost to the top. Leave about an inch of space. You can make cupcakes with any remaining batter. Bake at 300 Fahrenheit for 90 to 105 minutes until a toothpick or skewer comes out clean. Bake any cupcakes for 15 to 20 minutes. Let cool, then flip it over and remove it from the pan. Top with glaze, fruit, whipped cream, etc. Slice and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.